have a couple of nuances. If you have a skittish dog, really insecure, that is scared of the box itself, you need to start with a maybe smaller box and maybe no paper at all. Just like spray a couple of treats inside and let your son and let your dog walk around, step in it, grab a couple of pieces, throw a couple more. Once your dog gets comfortable with that, then you can add some other objects like a smashed paper, maybe a couple of toys. I would say plastic bottle is more for confident dogs. This mental stimulation toy is super cool for a boost of confidence, mental stimulation, lots of sniffing, good exposure. Could be used instead of breakfast in the bowl. Bowl is, boring, but that one is cool. Anyways, highly recommend. If you don't have a time, lots of work, didn't have enough time to walk your dog, or just want to give some extra fun to your dog, do that. They're gonna love it. Anyways, you have questions? Over here, please. Over there, actually. Bye.